Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, and this subject is all about that. Biomimicry literally means copying techniques which different species have developed over their process of evolution for about a million years to solve problems of, well, not the personal ones, of course. By the way, it's not just copying either, identifying a species which successfully solves the problem which we wish to solve and mimicking it with the current technology both require a great deal of creativity and effort to make the design effective and economic. Look deep into nature and you will find the answers. The term biomimicry is similar to the words bionics and biomimetics, only that the words are used in different contexts. Biomimicry is the general term, whereas bionics is used when a similar study is done in mechanical and electrical fields and biomimetics in the chemical field. Now, bionic and biomimetic also have separate meanings from bionics and biomimetics. Yes, they aren't the same as bionics and biomimetics. Bionic refers to an artificial electromechanical system, and biomimetic refers to a synthetic method which mimics biochemical processes and structures. If you had noticed it, adding an S changes the meaning from a specific item or process to the study related to that. Well, at least in this case. Usually, it makes some word its plural form. Now, the ways of solving practical problems as effectively and economically as possible would surely ring a bell. Yes, engineering is a field which focuses on those aspects. Moving on to examples. Sugar is the basic source of energy for humans as well as for this idea too. As many batteries use lithium, which is not very abundant in Earth, shifting to a new commonly available source is a good idea, and the batteries they made have 10 times greater energy density than the conventional batteries. The very fast bullet trains were causing a loud booming sound when they would exit tunnels. One of the engineers had witnessed a kingfisher bird diving down through the air, going into the water and creating a very little splash, and they modeled the front of the train like the kingfisher's face. This saved up to 10 to 15% more energy because it was more aerodynamic. This caused the business to thrive in the following years. The biomimicry methodology spurs creative innovation. At one level, this requires us to reframe our design challenge and ask entirely different questions. Biomimicry focuses on discovering how certain species are able to do something which would enable us to tackle our problem. It is basically applying the knowledge which we have acquired to deal with our problems and is quite similar to engineering in that aspect. Engineering is an application-based discipline where designing, construction, and implementation of various tasks are achieved by utilizing the knowledge of science, mathematics, and various such fields. Introducing the element of bio-inspired ideas to achieve a sustainable future by using similar principles of engineering is what relates biomimicry and engineering. The process of inquiry, the method of questioning, the way of finding strategies to the existing problem provides a common base for both. For example, in the case of modification of the design in bullet trains, the requirement of quieter and more energy efficient design in bullet trains is needed. But nature comes to the rescue. This similar functional requirement of flying quietly and efficiently was seen in nature in the form of the kingfisher. This similarity laid the foundations to dig deeper into the reasons for the function itself. It indeed helped to form strategies, here the analysis of its aerodynamic shape, and of course these ideas and designs and implemented to yield fruitful results. If rigorous tests and evidence are crucial for engineering discipline, nature already provides the best sustainable results which are being tested for billions of years. The process of evolution provides a great data source for the engineering discipline, whereas the combination of both creates a great potential for innovation. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.